only like a lens. It will not perceive the image, it just transmits the light. But the cornea is a basic structure through which we are able to see the outside light. If the cornea is damaged or there is some problem in cornea, we are not able to transmit the light on the inside the eye. If we not transmit the light, the basic function is at the fault, we are not able to see at all. Okay. In the young age, if the lens is transparent, cornea is clear, the light go through to that and follow on the back part of the eye, which we call as a retina, which is a direct continuations through the optic nerve to the eye. We transplant only the cornea. If there is some problem in the lens or some problem in the retina, we are not able to give the light by doing only corneal transplant. There are the other way also in which we can treat corneal lens opacity retinal problems. Now, as I told you, eye donation mainly for the cornea. So if there is a severe damage, if the mild damage you can recover with the medicines and the other things, but if there is a severe damage, then in that case you may need the corneal transplantation in future, not immediately. Then if you are coming from poor middle class or poor family below the poverty line, then there is an issue. Now today morning I just read the article in Times regarding the food the people are not getting, especially small child. So if there is a malnutrition, cornea will not develop normally. There is a dryness and other issues. So in that case also there is a corneal problem. Infection anytime you can get, especially if you are wearing contact lens and if you are not taking proper hygiene. Without hygiene, there is always a chances of getting an infection. You get the infection in central part not properly treated. If it's treated, then it will be curable. I'm not demotivating you to use the contact lens. Contact is a good option. I'm also using, but with the care. If not properly treated, it will lead to the corneal opacity in the center. You perceive the image, but not the great image, because the light level. Always wear the protective glasses if you are working with chemical. There should be a no chemical burns. If there is a chemical burns, the cornea will be not part of the eye. Now the sclera, the white part of the eye, also been used in disease conditions. Not in all the transplant, but in some time, if the patient has some problem in a white part and it get infected and destroyed totally, then we can transplant that white part also. But in India, we are not donating, we are not giving an eye by giving a money. There is a strict regulations. If you want the eye, you have to register with the authority which give you the certificate, and then you can get the eye in your hospital. And even after getting eye, you need the second certificate for transplant. All religion, I think, is giving a permission to donate your organ, from whole the organ, not even eye only. You can donate your liver, you can donate your kidney, you can donate your
what is organ? We all know removal of organ from a person either alive or recently dead to be used to another person. So the former is the donor and the person who get the organ is the recipient. So this is the data from the some of the developed countries regarding the donors per million of the population. Unfortunately, we don't have any data from the India, but you can note that Spain has got the highest number, 35 per million. Why? Because they have a system which is known as opt-out system. I will tell you later on what is that system. Next. So organ shortage. Why we are giving all this talk, why you have arranged this, like what is the need to sensitize you all young generation regarding these talks and regarding the need of organ donation, because there is a gravity of the situations you need to understand, as you all are now growing, as the sir said that next year some you will be voting. So there is really a problem of organ scarcity or organ shortage. Each day about 60 people around the world receive an organ transplant, whereas 13 die due to non-availability of the organs. And organ shortage is the main limitation in saving the lives of the critically ill patients, is due to individual and their families not considering for organ donation out of fear or either out of ignorance or either of misunderstanding. So organ donation is possible in India, why the Parliament of the India has passed Transplantation of Human Organ Act in 1994, and that has raised to a dawn of new era era in the Indian medicine. 900 kidneys and 100 livers. About 40% of cadaver transplant done in India are done in Tamil Nadu alone. So there is a foundation, Mohan Foundation, which is very much active. So they are doing a lot of these activities. And Tamil Nadu Organ Sharing Network could become the role model for the rest of our